You see how many questions I ask you to understand your situation or try to help lead you to like understanding why a client's on the phone?
I did.
Because you got to understand that this is the end result, that they want to build revenue and they're on the call with you for a reason. And then on the other side of that is you have to understand if they hang up the call with you and they don't transact with you and they don't come on board with you, like you said, there's 1,000 other bullshit fucking companies that are going to take their money and they're going to rape them, for lack of better terms. You have a moral obligation, if you truly believe in your heart that you're a 10 out of 10, to truly find out what they want, show them how your product or whatever specific offer fills that void and gets them to their end result. And if they leave this call and they sign, what's going to happen is they're going to just go based off of some cheap bullshit ad they see that's less price because they have no value or don't know how it fixes it or whatever, and they're going to get burned and they're going to add a bad name to your niche or your market or your area, and then they're also going to screw themselves, and they could be out of business and they could have children and they could not be able to put food on the table and they could have to go try to find a job to make up on their bills and be behind on the rent, and it's that fucking serious, right? So if you're not convicted enough and you don't understand your offer or your product enough, and you're not understanding a client's situation deep enough, you'll never be able to challenge them and hold them accountable because they're going to be the expert on the call. You're not. Dig what I'm talking about?
I agree with that.
When you're on a call, I've talked to this with Bob, obviously knows John, our sales rep. He's his brother-in-law. He's dealing with a confidence issue a little bit, and he's starting to overcome that and doing a lot better. But like when you let clients steamroll you, like he gets on with attorneys that are making, I don't know, private jets, 8 figures, sometimes, and he's talking to them, and it's really hard when you're like younger and you're not as established to get on there and be like, oh, I know more than this guy. You have to understand they're on a call with you for a reason. You are the authority, you are the expert on that call, or they wouldn't be on the call with you. So when a business owner starts telling you about how great their business is, hey dude, it sounds awesome, sounds like you got everything rocking and rolling right now. Like, quick question for you, like, why'd you reach out? What do you need from us? Leads.